welcome to my channel. Sheila here. Today I will be bringing y'all my back patio Christmas tour. I thought I was separated because after I've been editing, the inside of the house is getting a little long, plus y'all know I'm a little long-winded. Thought I would break it up and show y'all what I did outside my back patio. Then on Saturday I get to show you what I did on the inside of the house. I think y'all may like it better this way. We're gonna go outside. I'm gonna show y'all all I did out there, and plus bring some night shots because it's so beautiful at nighttime. It's lit up and it's just so magical out there. So after the video, come back and I got a few last words, and I hope y'all enjoy my back patio Christmas tour. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all first what I've done up and around the patio doors. I just used this beautiful, beautiful garland. I picked it up at Sam's and I just went up and around my doors, and here I made a bow and I hung these cute little ornaments. They're like a plastic, kind of look like Christmas bulbs, and I hung it with a candy cane, and of course I made me a beautiful bow. And now this garland is already pre-lit, but I added some more lights to it, and I just went up and around and down. Here is Eddie the elf. Here is my elf tree. I love how this turned out. I just decorated him with some elf feet, some candy cane, and of course some gorgeous, gorgeous ribbon. Here is one of the accent ribbon, and then I also put this ribbon in as well. It turned out so good. Here's some little gingerbread men I got in there, and I got pigs. And you know, things that I didn't really care to get broke because it is out here in the elements of the weather. But I just love how he looks. It's just too cute. And I did add some colored lights to him because everything else is white, and it really, really looks good. And y'all will see that when I do the nighttime images. So here is my little elf tree. Now this is my storage area. I put a swag up, and yes, I did that bow. That's my loopy bow. I just cut different pattern at about 24, 26 inches and just loop it and then twist tie and just cut them different lengths. That's how I do my funky bows. But there's a swag, and above the storage door I put this Noel sign, which I love the red in it. It's perfect for this red and white color scheme I've got going. So we're going to pan it down some. Here in my little corner I've got these white branches, and I just put a little cute little bow of my theme ribbon. I love, love, love this ribbon. It's so pretty. I just threw some tails on it. Now down here I got this red and white candy cane tree and a couple of these guys. Got these at Sam's, and they look so cute. I've had them for years. My daughter loves them, so that's why I put them up. Now, I didn't have the candy cane tree there. As you can see, I had something else, but the wind knocked it over and it broke it. So, that's why I don't put anything fragile out here for that very reason. So I just cut this little red and white candy cane tree. Now, on the railing here, I removed the other garland and I replaced it with a little bit more better garland. And you can see it's pre-lit, and also I put about 1 or 2 boxes of those little twinkling lights, and I added some pine cones, and I went all the way, just simply done with the pine cones and the lights. It is gorgeous. Facing the walkway here, I put up the wreath, and I added a bow, which is hanging on the other side so people can see it, and I lit it up with some lights, and I will show you at nighttime. It looks so pretty. Now we're going to pan over to the corner here, and on my table here that I leave out here, now on the top of it I just got some candlesticks with these gorgeous little snowball, I call them snowball bulbs. I got them at Sam's. I love these right here. They are so pretty. And I just put a little bit of greenery on this runner and added a cute little snowman hat to this planter. And on the second shelf, and I just threw some little Santa boots and then little broken picks I had to kind of cover up the plug-in there. And a little snowman. All I got, I just kind of stuffed him with some bags. I love how my table looks. It's really simple, but I got really simply decorated. Now above it, there's my sign that I keep out here. That's what my motto I go by. Again, another swag to mimic the other swag on the opposite side where the storage room is. Here in the corner, I just decorated this here. I just put some candy canes in it, little cute little elf foot here, a pick I wasn't using, and some more other little red and white picks. And that, you all, is it. That is how I decorated my porch. I love how it looks. And y'all will see when I do the nighttime view how it's lit up. I'm so sorry with the dogs barking in the background. They were a dog walker walking by with 3 dogs, so I do apologize. Okay, well that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I loved how I did it. I really liked just using the greenery on the railing as well as up and around the back patio door. And also the tree, my beautiful elf tree. I think it looks so good. I hope y'all love it as much as my husband and I do. Alrighty, well that's gonna be it today. Sure, if I'm still gonna do the cocoa bar, I've actually filmed it. There was a mirror that was actually showing everything in my dining room, so I couldn't get a good angle, so I'm not sure. I may reshoot it. I don't know. I'll see it when I do my home tour, and I'll kind of show y'all what I did do for my cocoa bar. They are a baking video coming up, and maybe 1 or 2 more as well before Christmas, so be on the lookout for them. This one is Saturday's video. That is the 2019 Christmas home tour. So go ahead and hit that bell so y'all be notified as soon as that video goes up. Or any other ones coming up soon, y'all be notified. And also, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you in my YouTube family. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I will see y'all really, really soon. And until next time, sending all of my love from my home to yours. Merry Christmas and happy decorating. Bye-bye. I thought I would show y'all what it looks like out here when all the lights are on. So I'm going to take you back around and let you see in the night view. Everything is really lit up out here. This is an image of how it looks like outside when people walk by and they stop, and they've complimented it so much. I really love just the white lights, the simplicity of it, and all those accents of the red, a little bit of color lights I got in the elf tree.